The World Defense Show is really one of our premier activities in the Middle East. This is the third iteration that Lockheed Martin has been here. This is the biggest show in the Middle East, and we're so glad to be here. We have a superstar here, which is the F-35. We're so glad to have the F-35. I think she has stolen the show of this third iteration of the World Defense Show. You might ask me, hey, what's different this time for Lockheed Martin? In the past, Lockheed Martin used to sell things in the kingdom. Now we actually manufacture and produce things here in the kingdom. In the past year, we've actually produced a number of THAAD launchers and THAAD canisters. If you're not familiar with THAAD, it's the world's most advanced air defense system, and it defends against missiles, all types of missiles, things that threaten the region. So we're excited about that. We also recently established a software factory. Software is integrated into all defense and aerospace articles these days. So we're very proud about that. And what that involves is taking the brightest of Saudi engineers. We had about 10 this last cohort, and we helped them really understand they're really good with software engineering, but what they're doing is applying it to the defense sector. So we're really excited about that. So those are a few things that stand out from the last iteration. You might also ask, what are some of the other things we're offering? You can see some of the things behind me. You see the F-35, you see satellites, you see radars. These are all things that are critical to air and missile defense. We talked about the THAAD system. There's also the PAC-3 missile, which is the hit-to-kill missile, one of the world's most advanced missiles, along with the Patriot. So we're excited about that. It was recently announced a multi-billion-dollar contract, with the U.S. government. So again, we're glad to be here. We're excited about investing in the next generation, supporting Vision 2030, creating jobs. And the last thing I would add is we've been manufacturing defense articles so that they can get into our supply chain components. The next iteration will be actually producing things like whole radars, and then co-developing systems with our local partners here in the kingdom.